Let me tell you something. I used to follow every guru and hot tip out there until I watched my money vanish on a sure thing. That loss was a wake-up call. The market doesn't care about your feelings or anyone's predictions. I realized I had to stop following the herd and start taking control. No more blaming others. I needed my own system, built from my research and mistakes. It was scary but liberating. I had to do the real homework. Understand why stocks move, what makes companies tick, and how to read the market. I decided to build a fortress of knowledge around my portfolio so I wouldn't get wiped out in the next storm. That loss became my turning point. I stopped looking for easy answers and started asking the hard questions. Why did I lose? What did I miss? How could I protect myself next time? It wasn't just about making money anymore, it was about survival and building a repeatable process. From that day on, I only traded on my own conviction. Booyah! So how did I build my system? First, I picked my style, active investing. I hold great companies but trade around positions for extra gains. You have to find what fits your personality. If you can't sleep at night, you're in the wrong game. Next, I chose my tools. Fundamentals and technicals. Fundamentals tell me the company's story. Earnings, products, growth. Technicals show me what the market thinks. Charts, trends, volume. Then I paper traded. Testing strategies with fake money. Making mistakes without real losses. I kept a journal of every trade, refining my plan until it worked. Only after weeks of testing did I go live, starting small to prove my strategy worked in the real world. As I gained confidence, I increased my positions. The key, my strategy was never set in stone. The market changes, so I kept learning and adapting. It's a constant process. Refine, improve, repeat. Don't skip the testing phase, it's free education. Build your playbook, but be ready to adjust. That's how you survive and thrive. Every winning strategy has a few must-haves. First, clear entry rules. Know exactly what triggers a buy. Make a checklist and stick to it. Second, exit rules for both winners and losers. Set your stop loss before you enter and have a plan for taking profits. Don't let emotions decide for you. Third, position sizing. Never risk too much on one trade, 1 or 2% of your capital max. This keeps you in the game when losses happen. Finally, narrow your focus. You can't follow every stock. Build a watch list of companies you know inside and out. Specialize and you'll find your edge. These pillars, entry, exit, sizing, and focus, are non-negotiable. They're what separate pros from amateurs. Build your foundation on them. Even the best strategy fails if you can't control your emotions. Trading is mostly psychology. Fear and greed are your real enemies. Fear makes you sell too soon. Greed makes you hold too long. Discipline is your superpower. Follow your rules, not your feelings. You will have losing trades. The key is to learn from them. Keep a journal, study your mistakes, and improve. The goal isn't to be right every time, it's to win more than you lose. Patience is crucial. Wait for the right setup, let winners run, and give yourself time to grow. Mastery takes hundreds of trades and plenty of screen time. The market will always be there. Don't rush. Build habits, not just hopes. Slow and steady wins. That's how you last. That's the journey. There's no secret formula, just hard work to build a strategy that fits you. Use my story as a starting point, but make your process your own. Start today. Write down your style, tools, and rules. Be relentless in learning. Watch the market, follow great companies, and keep refining. Treat this like your business. Your financial future depends on it. Lean on your process during tough times. Celebrate small wins. Every disciplined trade is progress. You have the power to stop being a victim and become a prepared participant. It takes courage, but the rewards, financial and personal, are worth it. Build, test, refine, and own your strategy. The market is waiting for you. Now go make your mark. Booyah!